Welcome to my channel Manju Makes. Today's recipe is Samosa Pinwheels. Samosas are the most popular and favorite street food of India. There is a pleasant twist in the original recipe of samosas. Samosa pinwheels are easier and takes less time to make. So let's start with the recipe. For the recipe, we need all-purpose flour, Suji, Semolina, oil and salt. This is for the dough. For the filling, we need boiled potatoes, chopped onions, coriander powder, salt, cumin powder or jeera powder, garam masala, amchur powder or dry mango powder, grated ginger and chopped chilies. For the dough, first take all-purpose flour, add Suji or Semolina, salt, and now rub oil in the flour. When you rub the oil in the flour and see that it leaves an impression when the fist is closed like this. Now it's time to add water in small amount so that we can make a dough. The dough should not be very stiff or very soft. Around 1/3 cup of water will be used to make a dough. In small amount add water, knead it, then add water and knead to make a dough. Now you can see dough has been prepared. Now we will keep aside, leave this dough for 30 minutes, covering it with the damp cloth. In the meanwhile, we will make filling for our pinwheels. Let's start with the filling. Add oil, fry chopped onion, add grated ginger, add green chilies, now time to add dry masalas, amchur, jeera powder, garam masala, coriander powder and salt. Now it's time to add mashed potatoes and mix it well. Now you can see our potatoes are done. You can also add boiled peas in it. Now let it cool for some time, then we'll start filling our pinwheels. Now 30 minutes are over. Knead the dough once again. Now dough is ready. Divide this dough in 2 equal parts. Dust flour on the board and roll a chapati very thinly. Now you can see a thin chapati has been prepared. Roll from the sides also. Now it's time to add our filling, this potato filling. Now spread this filling evenly on this chapati. Now press this filling with this rolling pin so that it spread evenly on all sides. Now roll this chapati like this. Roll this roll. Now this roll of samosa pinwheel is ready. Now I will cut it with knife. The width should be 1 inch. Cut the roll and you can see such a nice layers. Now our pinwheels are ready now. You can see they are so beautiful, looking so beautiful. Now we have to make a thin covering for these pinwheels before frying. So take all-purpose flour and add water. You have to make very thin batter. Add more water. You can see the consistency. This is very thin. Now it's time to fry our pinwheels, samosa pinwheels. First you have to press gently like this, or you can press gently between your palms. Now we will fry our pinwheels. Dip in this thin mixture of maida and then fry it on medium heat. Adjust the flame from low to medium. Now it's time to take out the golden one. You can see they are nicely done from all sides, crispy. Now take out the golden pinwheel samosas.
Now we will start to plate these pinwheel samosas. For plating, pair these samosas with mint chutney and serve with hot chai. An idea for plating is as shown.
Samosa pinwheels are as crispy and tangy as original samosas. Comment down below your experience and like my video if you like the recipes. Also subscribe to my channel Manju Makes for more awesome videos or recipes like this.